Hello, viewers. Welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics, question number 10A, WASSCE 2025, Further Mathematics for Ghanaian students. Without using calculator, we are to evaluate 3 divided by 2 minus root 3 minus 2 divided by 3 plus root 3, leaving the answer in the form m plus n root 3, where m and n are all real numbers. Now, there are two ways of doing it. We can rationalize separately, then subtract the result, or we hold it, subtract, then rationalize. Two ways approach. So I'm having the value as, so what do we do? If we are picking it as a fraction without thinking of rationalization, we are going to look for the LCM of the denominators. So if I divide by the LCM, which is 2 minus the root of 3, combined with 3 plus the root of 3, when this divide this, it cancels itself, remaining this. So 3 will now multiply the 3 plus the root of 3, then minus. This cancels itself, remaining this. Therefore, 2 here multiplying 2 minus the root of 3. So now let's pay attention to the numerators. Let's expand. 3 times 3 will give us 9. 3 times the root of 3 will give you 3 root 3. Minus 2 times 2, 4. Minus 2 times minus root 3 plus 2 root 3. So you're having 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 terms. Divided by, let's expand it down also. 2 times 3 will be 6. 2 times the root of 3 will be 2 root 3. Then negative root 3 times 3. That will give you negative 3 root 3. Then negative root 3 times positive root 3 will give you negative 3. Alright, let's go ahead and simplify further. I can see this and this will give me 5. So I have 5. This plus this, they have the same radical, so we add plus 5 the root of 3. This is going to be 6 minus 6. That will give us 3. The root of 3, root of 3. So 2 minus 3, that's negative 1. So we have this. So we still have the surd in the denominator. This is where we rationalize. So let's rationalize the denominator by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by what? The conjugate pair of the denominator. So this means I have 5 plus 5 root 3. 3 minus root of 3 times, don't forget to include bracket so that your expansion will be perfect. So this is plus root of 3, 3 plus what? The root of 3. So that when I pick this, it multiplies all the terms in the second bracket. So 5 times 3, 15. 5 times root 3, 5 root 3. Root 5 root 3 times 3, 15 the root of 3. Then this will give you 5 times 3. Let me just write a 15 and be free, okay? When you are expanding, you have enough space, so you can expand all the steps. Trying to conserve the space. I'm not sure even this will reach, but let's go. Now, the conjugate pair simply means we have a difference of 2 squared. 3, 3. Root 3, root 3, plus or minus. So it means 3 square minus what? The root of 3 what? Square. What do we do? In the numerator, 15 plus 15 will be 30. Root 3, root 3. So this and this will be 20. So as we'll be having 30 plus 20, the root of 3, the what will it be? 9 minus, if I find the root of this and cancel, it will become only what? 3. What can I do? Okay, let's clean the other side. So if we transfer this, we should be having 30 plus 20, the root of 3 divided by 6. And I'm sure we can go further by having 30 divided by 6, 20 divided by 6, the root of 3, where this gives you 5 plus, I think 2 go here, 10, 2 go here, 3. So 10 on 3, the root of what? 3. So therefore, m is going to be the 15, not 5. And the n is going to be the 10 on what? 3. We are not asked to list, but to show that we have expressed the answer in the form m plus n root 3, we can say that the m is going to be the 5, and the n will be 10 on what? 3. I guess well understood. You can also take it first, rationalize the two sides, then you add. You come back to the same place. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.